So guys, I'm gonna explain to you why I have been not posting for a while. So here it goes. Guys, you can stop the video if you want. If you can't read, bruh. Oops. Bruh, so bad at spelling.
Yung nangyari sa Marcos. Okay, so yun na naman po yung pinaka-facts ng discussion natin. Ngayon po, pag-usapan na natin yung mga legal implications ng itong situation. More on sa rules of succession po yung pag-usapan natin. At kung ano ba yung rason kung bakit mainit talaga to sa taong bayan itong topic na to. So una po muna natin i-discuss kung bakit very controversial at very divisive na issue or na topic tong health po ni President Bongbong Marcos sa president.
I saw two books.
Quick break lang mga kasi gusto ko lang po magpasalamat because we have recently crossed 400,000 subscribers sa YouTube. So maraming salamat po sa mga nakasubscribe na. Thank you in advance sa mga magsasubscribe pala. At sa mga nanonood po ngayon, hopefully you can consider liking, subscribing this video. So tandaan po ninyo, pag sa YouTube kayo subscribe, 100% free ang YouTube subscription. Okay, ngayon po, tuloy tayo sa discussion. The reason po is very simple and straightforward.
Wait, let me draw myself.
That is because number one,
this is actually my mask. Look at my real face. Oh, this so much, girl. Okay, guys, this is me. I can't really show my mask. It's still on, but yeah. Bye.